LV Network is the Quantum Boat of the Week here at Quantum's Key West 2015. Carlo Alberini and his team, a tremendous job. Carlo, just talk about the honor of being Boat of the Week at such a great regatta.
Yeah, we come here in Key West to understand how strong the fleet, American fleet, and for us it's a very surprise that our boat is so fast, and the other friends, the other owners, they are very competitive in any situation, especially the World Championship, Team Halley, and the Mexican boat. They are in any time they
every time they were really hard to beat on the water.
Yeah.
So it's a great feeling to have the success in the class and also to be the boat of the week.
Now, Carlo won the European Championship, but as you mentioned, Tim Healy, who is with North Sails, a professional, is the reigning world champ, the North American champ. Then you had Flojito y Cooperando. Julian Fernandez is a very good boat with Vasco Vascato on board. What did you all do this week that led to your success?
The success is our prediction. Is Branko Bercin, is a Slovenian guy that with his experience and his very good view of the field go us to success.
Now, Carlo has sailed a number of boats over the years. What is it that Carlo likes about the J70 class? Why has he decided to focus his efforts on this J70 class for now?
Okay, I come from non-40, 540, minus 42, and in this moment J70 is the class with too much owners, too much boat, and the races are very competitive, and the boat now we said that are very similar. The boat built in the USA and the boat built in Europe.
Now, the key to this week was you all had amazing consistent finishes. You had an 11th is the only result that you had to keep that was double digit. You had a bunch of top 5, top 4 finishes. What was the key to the consistency of the
Durante la settimana avete solo risultati di cifra quanto CS che è l'undicesimo. Siete stati sempre tra i primi, qual è stata la chiave per essere sempre lì davanti?
The key is the constancy of
we had a very solid series, and it was hard to stay front on the water, but we worked really well on the path, on the wind path. We have some good speed during all the week, and we prefer not to go for the winning of the day, but we prefer to stay solid during the series.
Right. This is a tremendous honor. This is one of the greatest regattas in the world. You are the Boat of the Week. You must be very happy.
My happiness is fantastic, it's bigger. For me, it's probably the best results that I do.
Congratulations, Carlo. Congratulations.